Hey everybody, Chris Gerard, thebaldcarguy.com, elwedopelon.com, at beautiful Premier Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Buena Park. I just wanted to show you guys something here. This Jeep right here, I sold to a customer about 4 months ago, maybe 4.5 months ago. And it was a pre-owned unit, and it was just stock, just a Sport, Wrangler Unlimited. There was nothing special about it. But check out what he's done to this thing. This thing is super sharp now. Really, really cool looking Jeep. And I just want to show you guys what's possible with the Jeep Wrangler. Of course, there's lots of magazines and internet articles and all that stuff. But here is a great example of a vehicle that a customer purchased from me and did some modifications to. And as you can see, I mean, it is absolutely stunning and very unique looking as well, with that fast back on it. I mean, it's just really a cool setup. And this guy is he's in the industry, not the car sales industry, but in the off-road industry and in product development and things of that nature. But this is what he's done. So this is what's possible for you too, just to let you know. So come and see me, come and see one of our professional sales staff here at Premier Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. And of course, if you need service done, all that kind of stuff, we're more than happy to help with that as well. But just a great example of an awesome Jeep Wrangler JK, all modified up and ready to go out and have some real good fun with. So have a fantastic Sunday. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Again, I thank everybody for all the support of these videos and the career that I'm in here. So have a fantastic Sunday again. Drive safe and see you soon.